Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Wednesday. All of the major U.S. indices closed in the red, with the NASDAQ 100 down by the most 2.5%. The S&P 500 and the small cap Russell 2000 each ended down by more than 1%. And the Dow closed down by the least less than 0.5%. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, just 2 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher. Utilities up around 0.5%, and that was followed by consumer staples. To the downside, communication services was the biggest loser, down nearly 6% on the day, followed by consumer discretionary. Looking at some stocks on the move, Alphabet shares saw their worst day in a year, closing down nearly 10% after its cloud revenue missed the mark on earnings. Now, although earnings and revenue beat expectations, Google cloud revenue missed the street expectations by more than $20 million. Although many analysts cut their price targets on Alphabet, they maintained bullish ratings and say investors should not worry since Google's cloud accounts for just 11% of total revenue. They add that growing AI demand could boost revenue in the coming quarters. Over to Boeing, which closed down almost 3% after a mixed earnings report and headlines on an expensive 737 defect. While third quarter revenue increased 13% year over year and came in above consensus estimates, its adjusted loss was wider than expected. Boeing also cut its 737 delivery goals after a snafu involving misdrilled holes on its 737 jet fuselages. As a result, the plane maker booked a $1.6 billion third quarter loss. And Meta ended the trading day down around 4%, but after markets closed, the company reported third quarter revenues surged 23% and profit more than doubled in the quarter. CEO Mark Zuckerberg said during the quarter he was proud of the work the teams have done to enhance AI and mixed reality with the launch of Quest 3, Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, and its AI studio. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. Jobless claims, durable goods, and GDP data will be released. And then on the earnings front, UPS, Southwest Airlines, and MasterCard report before the opening bell, while Amazon, Intel, and Ford report after the closing bell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.